When most men interact with an attractive woman, they make her feel like they would be lucky to get with her. It's not an unusual experience for her either. It's just something that she's seen throughout her life. For example, if you can remember back to when you're at school and there were the pretty girls, you noticed them. They stood out. And most of the boys, if not all of the boys, treated those girls differently because they were attractive. Right? So it's something that she's been experiencing all of her life. And as she has grown up and become a woman, she experiences that with men when she interacts with men in any type of situation, whether she walks into a store and she buys something and there's a man behind the counter and he reacts to her differently. She can sense it. If she goes out to a party or she goes to a bar or she goes on a date, the feeling that she's getting from the guy, the sense that she's getting from him is that he would feel lucky to be with her, to get with her. And it's not exciting for her. It's not unusual. It's the typical default response from men because she is attractive. And it doesn't make her feel like she would be lucky to get with him. And then if she got with him, she would be lucky to stay with him. It doesn't make her feel that way. So imagine how cool it is for an attractive woman to come across a guy who actually makes her feel lucky to be getting a chance with him. And then when in a relationship, lucky to be with him. A guy who actually knows how to make her feel that way. That's very exciting for her. It's rare. And it's something that she wants to hold on to, right? She wants to grab onto that opportunity and not lose it because it doesn't come along very often for her. And usually the only times that she gets to feel that way is if the guy already has a girlfriend or wife, so he is taken. But for single guys, she rarely, if ever, gets to feel that way. And when she comes across a guy who is single and actually makes her feel that way, she lights up. She realizes that this is it. This is her opportunity to get that feeling that is so elusive, where she's actually going to feel lucky to be with him. She's going to be wanting to charm him. She's going to be wanting to win more of his attention, attraction, affection, and love. So something to understand about this is that most men don't just fall under her spell in terms of her physical attractiveness because she's an attractive woman, but she also has certain behaviors that she will display that charm a man and make him start to fall for her. And she knows that if she starts being sweet and friendly and nice and complimenting the guy and showing some interest in him, most guys will fall under her spell. They'll start to feel excited that they might have a chance with her. They'll feel excited that an attractive woman is actually showing them that type of interest, and they'll start to fall for her. So it's not just her physical appearance. Instead, she has behaviors that she displays, and she has things that she does around guys that make guys start to fall for her and really want to be with her. And one of the things that really makes an attractive woman feel lucky to be with a guy is when he's able to spark some attraction inside of her by being confident around her or being charming or using some flirting or using some humor, making her laugh, or being assertive and asking for what he wants and telling her to do something. The list goes on. Right? There are so many different ways that you can spark attraction inside of a woman. But even if it's just as simple as a guy being confident around her, he's confident around her, he's at ease, he doesn't seem like he's trying to impress her, she's going to feel a spark of attraction for that. And then, if she notices that her usual approach to men that makes men fall for her isn't working, in that he's not falling under her spell and feeling like, oh wow, an attractive woman likes me and she's nice and she's sweet and friendly, and then he starts to fall for her, right? So if he's the sort of guy who doesn't fall under that spell, then she has to wonder why. Why isn't he falling under that spell? Why isn't it working? And what happens next? In many cases, the attractive woman then tries harder to charm him. She tries harder to get him to like her. And in the process of her doing that, she starts to fall for him. Right? She starts to look at him as the guy that she wants to get, she wants to be with, that she's going to feel lucky to get a chance with. And this is something that I figured out when I discovered different ways to trigger attraction inside of women and started getting results. I soon realized that I could actually make attractive women feel lucky to be with me, even though prior to figuring these sort of things out, attractive women didn't want anything to do with me. All of a sudden, I had attractive women feeling lucky to get with me. It's amazing to me that most guys still don't know how to do this, but It works just in the same way as it did back then as it does today. And I know that for sure thanks to the members of my community who post and share what they said and did to get results in today's dating scene. And that's something important to understand about attraction. What triggers attraction and desire in women is always the same. There are so many ways to do it, and once you start doing it properly, it's amazing to see how differently women react to you. Additionally, it's actually even easier these days because, according to a recent study, 45% of men between 18 to 25 years old have never approached and asked a woman out in person. So, nearly half of the young male population aren't even attempting to shoot their shot when they have a chance in person. Meanwhile, 77.1% of women between 18 and 30 desire to be approached more by men. And I see this day in and day out, but many guys don't know that it's the reality because they see things like women having Instagram accounts where they have thousands or hundreds of thousands of followers, and they assume that she must have a boyfriend and must find it very easy to get a boyfriend. But as you can see here with this woman, she had 500,000 followers when she was interviewed and said that she'd been struggling to get a boyfriend for 7 years and that guys were too afraid to approach her even though they're looking at her and feeling very attracted to her. Additionally, guys are thrown off by TikTok interviews where women are interviewed and asked what they want in a guy, and then they start listing off a whole bunch of requirements that in reality 95% of those women do not stick to in real life. But most guys don't know that. They hear women saying those sort of things and they believe it. They think, oh, well, okay, a guy has to have that or be that in order to be with a woman these days, and they just don't get it. So it has scared most guys out of actually being competition, and as a result, it's even easier in today's dating scene. So many guys aren't even attempting to talk to women because they're so scared of doing it or because they've been thrown off by certain things that have gone on. And as a result, there's hardly any competition. It's never been easier to attract women. And so regarding the secret that I'm sharing with you in this video, where you spark a woman's attraction for you and then make her feel like you're not under her spell yet and she needs to do more to win you over, one of the reasons this works so well, and not just with women, it works the same way with people, but one of the reasons it works so well is that people usually value what they earn much more than what they're simply given. And so if you're simply given everything that you want all the time, it's not as valuable as if you actually earn it and you feel like, yeah, I got it. I did it. So an attractive woman is used to men showing her that she doesn't have to do anything to get to be with them. Men are 100% interested and ready to be with her simply based on her physical appearance or a combination of her physical appearance and her charming behavior. So the men's interest in her is not as valuable as gaining the interest of a guy that she has to earn the interest of. And ironically, this is actually one of the behaviors that an attractive woman uses to make men feel lucky to be with her. In that the attractive woman gives a guy a sense that he needs to do more to win her over, that he has to do something. Right? She's not going to just like him and fall for him if he's just standing there saying, hey. She's not going to like him and fall for him if they just go on a date. He's going to have to create some sort of spark inside of her. He's going to have to make her want him. And she is in that position because the guy is giving her that position. He is giving her the sense, based on how he's interacting with her, that he would feel lucky to be with her. So he's trying to get a chance. Yet what she will rarely experience is a guy who can actually flip that and make her feel like she needs to do something to fully win him over. And it doesn't mean that he's acting like he isn't interested in her, that he's saying that he's not interested in her, that he's sort of pushing her away and saying, look, I don't want anything to do with you. It's not about that. Instead, just like with what a woman does, she will show you some interest and she'll be on a date with you, for example, or if you're talking to her at a party or a bar, she'll be in the conversation with you. But she'll give you a sense that she's not fully won over. You're going to have to do more. And for pretty much every guy that she will come across, that makes the guy feel like he needs to do more and he's going to have to try hard. Yet, apart from guys who may get lucky with an attractive woman every now and again, the guys who have easy access to attractive women do not fall for that. They don't give a woman the impression that they're sold on her and are hoping to get a chance with her, or are trying hard to get a chance with her. They don't give her that impression. Instead, they'll show some interest in her, no problem at all with that, but she will get the sense that she's still going to have to do something to fully win him over. And as a result of that, she wonders why. Why isn't he desperate for her like other guys? Why isn't he reacting the same way as other guys? And she assumes that, oh, he must have other women who are attracted to him. It must be easy for him to get with women like her. And therefore, if she wants to be with him, she better start showing more interest and try to make something happen. Otherwise, another girl will take him. And then when she actually gets to kiss him, and I'm saying gets to kiss him, right? Because most guys feel like, I got to kiss her, right? She let me touch her, sort of thing. Most guys are in that frame of mind. But I'm talking about she gets to kiss him. She gets to be with him. So when she eventually gets to kiss him, she feels lucky that she is getting to that point with him. And it's a completely different experience. It's something that most attractive women cannot experience, because most guys just fall under her spell based on her physical appearance alone, or her physical appearance and her charming, seductive behavior. Now, what's interesting is that most guys who watch this video will understand what I've just taught now and realize that, yeah, that makes sense. I've got to start doing that. But then maybe 2 weeks from now, or a month from now, 2 months from now, they'll interact with an attractive woman and they'll have forgotten all about it, because they'll just go back into their default programming of how to interact with women, how to operate around women. And for some guys, for example, that will be just to be nice to her. Another guy just be neutral with her and be friendly. Another guy might try to play it cool and act like he isn't even interested in her. And none of those approaches will work. And he'll continue on in his life looking at attractive women, finding them attractive, having random opportunities here and there, and then not being able to do what actually works. And that's one of the reasons I'd love you to join my free Attraction Secrets newsletter. Right? It's 100% free. And if you go down to the description under this video and click the link, you'll be able to access the first video in the Attraction Secrets newsletter, where I give you more examples, more ways to attract women. And then I continue to help you with more examples, more insights about attraction. So this is top of mind for you, and you're ready. The next time you have an opportunity with an attractive woman, you're ready to actually make her feel attracted, and you have more confidence to move things forward, rather than coming across those once-in-a-lifetime opportunities with attractive women where she's actually interested. She's single at that point in time. She's showing you some interest, and you don't know what to do to attract her, or you don't have the confidence to move things forward, and then the opportunity just slips through your fingers, and you're like, damn it, why didn't I say this? Why didn't I do that? And the opportunity is gone, because in most cases, you'll never see her again. Right? And if you do actually see her again, you need to be ready to spark her attraction and actually make her want to be with you. Right? So sign up for the free Attraction Secrets newsletter. Otherwise, I'll help you in the next video here on YouTube.